Jai Shri Ram. This is the Sadhana Panchakam. I am reading one verse from here. Adi Shankaracharya says something very interesting. Eh? He says, hunger is a form of disease and you should take food like medicine. Another great, thinker, William Osler, a Canadian doctor on whose name many hospitals are there. William Osler, Ostler. He said we are all dietetic sinners. I added, I think we are actually gustatory sinners. Now, what he meant was, we are dietetic sinners because only 5% of the food that we consume is utilized by the body, I believe. That is after the teenage. 95% of it is wasted or it becomes toxic in the body. I realized we eat because we like the taste. I think we are actually gustatory sinners. Now, the word gustatory means the sense of taste. We eat because we like the taste. So, we are dietetic and gustatory sinners, okay? Now, Shankaracharya is saying hunger is a form of disease and food should be taken like medicine. Now, let that sink in. Let that sink in. क्षुद्यादिश्च चिकित्स्यतां प्रतिदिनं भिक्षौषधं bhujyatam. Aha. So, cure the disease in the form of hunger, take in the medicine in the form of bhiksha. Okay, everything that you earn also is actually Rama's bhiksha only. So, of course, we don't have to go and beg. These yugas are different, work hard and earn. So, but remember, it's all bhiksha only. Okay, so क्षुद्यादिश्च चिकित्स्यतां प्रतिदिनं भिक्षौषधं भुज्यतां स्वाद्वन्नं न तु याच्यतां विधिवश्चात् प्राप्तेन संतुष्यताम्. Okay, and don't ask for tasty food or delicacies. Be contented with whatever. never use bad words to describe the food that you get. Okay, शीतोष्णादि विह्यताम नतु वृथावाक्यम samucharyatam. Don't gossip endlessly and don't blabber like a flibberty gibbet. People are talking all the time. Please don't waste your energy. Audasinyam abhipsyatam janakrupa naishturyam utsrujyatam. That means be nice and friendly to all. Do not be partial. Do not show any distinction. Just be calm and be happy.